KSF team, we are here today for the installation of a 5 kilowatt peak solar power system. This solution will power this whole edifice, provide a constant power supply for the building, and also power the borehole that is currently being drilled now. Solar panel is a sure bet to get away from epileptic solar power supply. Invest in solar power system today. Go solar with KSF technology. We give you the best. Yes, this is the battery setup for the solar power system. The phone number of 200 amp hour battery. This is the main switch. This is the AC surge protecting device, and this is the other one here is the DC surge protecting device. This is the 5 kV inverter, and also this is the change over. Okay, these switches must be turned on. This one is for the NEPA input, while this one is for the output. This is the surge protector. This is the over and under voltage protector. Okay, while this is the DC surge protector, high voltage DC surge protector, and this is the breaker for the solar power systems. The inverter switch is located under here. The inverter switch is located under here. And this is the default screen of the inverter. This changeover, when you take it down, this is inverter. We can see the light is up now. The light is up. And when you take it up, this is a NEPA or gen. When we take it up, this is a NEPA or gen. No light now. So I'm taking it down, and this is the front of the inverter. Presently, we are having a load of 418 watts now, as it stands now. This is the load on now, and the battery is 50 volts. All right. So I'm going to shut down the system. The house is well powered now. I will shut down the system because of the water dripping from the roof, so that can be fixed so as not to damage the inverter system. But presently now, there is a light in the whole the light is on. The light is on. Yes, you can now enjoy constant power supply, courtesy of a solar power system. Also, there is need to install a lightning arrestor. To install a lightning arrestor in the building, as it stands now, presently, there is none installed. So to turn off the system, I'll basically go down here, the switch here, turn it off. The light has gone off, but the system is still charging. But I want to shut down the whole system. So what I do next is turn off my solar breaker. This will remove the solar panel from charging. Thereafter, I turn off the battery main switch.